Hello everyone, my name is Alan from Technology Moments, and today we wanted to make sure that you have all the information regarding these SSDs, so if you decide to buy them, you can make an informed decision. We're talking about the Western Digital Black series, particularly these SD Black SN770, which by the way have many interesting features that you might want to include in your system. I did not actually rush to make this video, and we have used a couple of these units for almost 3 months now, and we have really had a great experience. We have them installed in an Aorus Z690 Ultra from Gigabyte, which features 4 of these NVMe ports. There has been a growing interest in SSDs, especially now that most of the units that were first sold were supposed to start failing, and the truth is that they are actually demonstrating that they last far more than we initially expected. These units are NVMEs for PCI Express version 4, which means that you'll be able to connect them to most NVMe ports available in actually any card in the market, unless, of course, stated by the motherboard manufacturer. Compatibility of these drives are similar to when using graphic cards in different PCI Express versions. The only disadvantage is that if you were to max out the performance of this drive in a much older PCI Express slot, you might not reach its highest performance. And about that, as you may have gotten used to, keep in mind that all these numbers manufacturers always show in their product pages are theoretical and perfect scenario usage of the units. And that's why, even testing them connected to very high performance systems, they may give you readings that are far from what you may have been expecting. Quality is not the main objective of this video, and if you continue to watch this video published, our experience continues to be great. We particularly wanted to show you what you can expect in real-life scenarios with these units. For example, this is what you can expect from them when writing big files to the drive. This is the speed at which it actually writes information to the disk, and this is what you can expect when writing multiple small files, both of them very common for many of you. As you can see here, there are performance peaks that differ quite a lot. Writing big files to an SSD is the perfect situation for an SSD, as writes sequentially without bothering about different technical aspects of writing many small files, and that's why it is so fast. On the other hand, when writing multiple files, several locations of the drive are accessed simultaneously to write info about each file. These tests, by the way, can be simulated by programs like this one, in which you can actually have a fairly good idea of what to expect. So we recommend you use it if you want to compare your drives. As for those of you who are into gaming, you might not care much about writing speed, but actually you might care about reading speeds, which by the way, ever since hard drives were created, have been far greater than writing speeds. Depending of course on the operating system, catching files that are quickly read may give a great advantage in performance if you also have big amounts of RAM in their systems. Here, some tests we run in Windows Server 2022. Overall, we're very pleased with the high performance of these drives, and running multiple virtual machines over just one single drive had never been easier, and performance is incredibly good. Maybe this one is one of the greatest advantages SSDs have had for us, needing to have multiple machines running simultaneously without having to worry about performance drop. We really hope this video gave you the information that you need in case that you are considering to buy one of these awesome SSDs from Western Digital. See you next time.